Hi guys, Todd with TW Home Show. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about mobile chargers. Now if you just recently purchased an EV vehicle, two Teslas like I did, or maybe a different model or brand like a Ford Mach-E or a Ford Lightning or a Kia, who knows, whatever you decided to purchase, you may have brought your EV home and found out that, hey, how am I going to charge this thing? So they usually come with a mobile charger, but Tesla now does not come with a mobile charger. You would have to add that to your purchase of your vehicle at the time of purchase. Now, you might do what I did and hire an electrician, and I purchased and ordered the Tesla wall connector right here. And I opted for a NEMA 1450 outlet and put a plug on the end of this. So if we ever leave our home or move, we can take that Tesla wall connector with us. That was about $500. And now I want to tell you a little bit more about your options that you have on purchasing a mobile charger for your vehicle to take on the go, or a cheaper solution to plug in your garage at home. Stay tuned. All right, welcome back. Now, I usually keep my mobile charger in the bag that it comes in my front trunk or front area of either a Model 3 or a Model S, like I got right here. Now, like I mentioned, you can get the Tesla mobile charger, and it will come with everything you need. You might need to add the 1450 plug to it for a high power outlet charging, but this is the unit, nice, slim, and sleek. Got your plug adapter here. This is a trickle charge 110, 120 wall charger. You're only going to get about 3 to 6 miles per hour with that. So you might want to add the extra plug. Now, you might be asking, Todd, why did you bring me here to this movie today, to this video? And that's because when it comes to mobile charging, you have options. And there's reasons why you might want to take the other option. Like I did in this case, this is a mobile charging unit, just about the same size as our Tesla mobile charging unit. And now, like I mentioned before, the Teslas don't come with a mobile charger. So you got to pay $250 for that unit right there. This unit, I'm going to leave the link below. This was probably about $100 or more cheaper than that unit. And this has some more options, which we're going to go over right now. So we open it up. Similar. You get the wall charger unit. This one comes with a 1450 plug for your outlet, for your NEMA outlet, 1450 NEMA outlet. So you get high power charging here. Now with this, I get up to 32 amps of charging power. And that's going to give me somewhere around 20 to 33 miles per hour at 32 amps. The Tesla is also 32 amp. So far we're the same in comparison. But you're going to say, hey Todd, that doesn't look like a Tesla plug right there. It's not going to fit into my Tesla. So let's take a closer look at this. All right, so let's take a look at this connector. It's a mobile wall charger by WonVon. WonVon wall charger. Closer look right there, the name. And it's got a nice dust cover on here that's strapped so you never lose the dust cover there. And like you're saying, Todd, it's not going to fit. Okay, well, all you do is buy $35 adapter. So you got the cost into this, and then another $35 for this Tesla adapter right here. And this Tesla adapter clicks right in place there, nice and snug. Now it's got the Tesla in. As we compare, it's got the Tesla end. It's going to plug in now. Now I don't have the unit plugged in, so let's plug it in, and I'm going to show you some more differences between our Tesla mobile charger. Let's take a look. All right, so here I have my Tesla mobile charger connected to a 50 amp NEMA 1450 outlet, 240 volts. And you notice the Tesla has a nice lighted logo right there. You know, it's plugged in, it's ready to charge. It's got power running from your panel to the mobile charger. And I've got this handy dandy hook here, and here's the connector to plug it in. But that's all you got on the outside of it. You don't know how many amps are going into your Tesla. You don't know for how long. There's no way to schedule, you know, a schedule if you want to get cheaper power after 9 p.m. at night in your neighborhood. You have to do all that from inside your Tesla on the screen. And I don't have an issue with that, but hey, you know, maybe you might. So let's take a look at our WonVon, and we'll set this up in place of our Tesla mobile charger. All right, now we're going to take a look at the length of our chargers to compare them. We got the Tesla mobile charger and the WonVon mobile charger there. And the WonVon, I believe, everything considered, it's 2 to 3 feet longer than the Tesla charger. So there it is. I laid it out on the driveway so we get a clear understanding. Now, another thing I noticed, look at the gauge of this wire. This says 18 AWG gauge. Look at the comparison. This is the WonVon. Seems more heavy duty or protected in this cord here. This is the Tesla mobile charger. So there you have it. All right, now I've got my WonVon mobile charger set up in my garage. Nice setup. This one, the WonVon, you notice, it's got a digital display. So you always know what's going on. You see right here, it's got a power light. So you know it's got power. It's plugged in to the 1450 outlet. It says it's 32 amp setting right now, 241 volts. Power distributing out of the mobile charger right now is 0 kilowatts. And it's also got a wait. This is where you can set it to wait for like 5 hours before it starts the charge. For charging reservation, you can use this button here, and that's what that wait button is for, or wait display is for, as you see there as I change it, if that's clear enough for you. So I can change the wait times. And they go all the way through, and then it will change back to 0 wait time. All right, here's current switching. So right now it's set at 32 amps. So we're gonna press that. Now it goes down to 24 amps, 20 amps, 16 amps, and back to 32 amps. So this can charge from 16 amps to 32 amps, depending on how fast you want your mobile charging done at your home or while you're away. Maybe you might not have a 1450 plug available, but you got a 20 amp plug. So you can just adjust this to your 20 amp setting. Okay, so let's go ahead and plug it in. I'm gonna change this to 32 amps. We've got a good connection. As you see, the light changed to blue there, the light ring on the Tesla. Now let's go inside here. Now I think I have my Tesla set up to charge only in the evening, so we're going to switch that just so we can see it charging. All right, here we go. So I'm going to go into vehicle, go to charging right here, schedule charging. I'm going to turn that off, and it's automatically going to start charging. We want it to charge at 32 amps. See, no matter what you have set on the WonVon, your car or your Tesla or whatever EV vehicle you have could override it from the settings menu inside. So keep that in mind. All right, let's take a look at our WonVon charger here now. I like that it's got the digital gauge here. It says we're getting 0.14 kilowatts. Currently, it's pulling 30.7 amps. Our setting was for 32 amps, so this may ramp up still. I'm sorry if that's blurry. And we do have this blinking light here, indicates it is charging. Now, if we take a look at the app, we see that it's charging on our WonVon display right here. But if you want more details, you can go into your Tesla app, and I'm sure your EV vehicle has an app as well. But we'll go in here, we can see as it logs in, just a minute. You can kind of see what's going on, how long it's going to take you to hit your limit that you set. I set a 80% limit to charge. And here we go, we're charging at 22 miles per hour, as you see in the app on the left-hand side, above the green bar, status bar there. And it's already charged plus 5 miles. So it's added 5 miles from the WonVon charger already since we plugged it in. And it's charging at 32 amps. 32 amps is available, and it's pulling 237 volts. And you can see there's our charging limit with that dot set to 80%. And we have it set to charge at 32 amps. So easy as that. And I can remove our WonVon plug. And that's it until our next charging session. So I hope you like this video. As you can tell, there are many different other charging options that you may have. Selecting a mobile charger for your Tesla or any EV vehicle that you may have. Maybe you want to get something like this WonVon because the plug on it is kind of universal once you get this adapter here. This is the Tesla charging adapter, and this is a regular J1772 adapter connector, I believe. So this will fit all other EV vehicles on the market today. So just in case your friends or family come from across the state to visit you on a vacation or something, you've got an option for their vehicle as well. Or if you buy a second or third vehicle and it's not a Tesla, you've always got this charger or for your Tesla. So I think it makes for a great option to have around your household. And like I said, we've got the Tesla wall connector, and then we've got this now too. So we can pretty much charge any vehicle we want to purchase in the future. Guys, thank you for tuning in to another one of my videos, and I'll see you on the next one.